Yeah, hi Peter, it's Mark again at FMAV. Okay, this is number two. I've wrote number two on there, you can see that. Yeah, same thing, same symptoms of, you already know, we've changed the laser for you. We've run a test on it for you. This one's probably been on a little bit longer than the other one. Yeah, it's been playing away pretty much most of the day. But yeah, this is all good and ready for shipping. So yeah, it's all working as it should be. It's going up and down the tracks as it should be. There's no errors, and it's working fine. Again, you still got your 6-month warranty on parts and labour. All we ask for is the shipping costs if there is any problems in that 6 months. Other than that, you got your guarantee on there on the laser only, obviously. Again, thank you ever so much, and you have a great day over there in Australia. Yeah, hopefully we'll do more business. Thank you very much, Peter. Really appreciate it. You have a great day.